Today I'm going to share with you how to make chicken and fries in the healthiest way possible. And the best part is that you don't need oil to do that, and your chicken is going to come out so crispy. And also how to make fries in a way that is so crispy as well. Hi, my name is Mfon. Welcome to my channel. And I know what you're thinking. Are you not vegan? Yes, I am, but my family is not. They still eat animal products, and it is my pleasure as the one that cooks, the chief cook, to make healthy choices for my family. I mean, when your kids want something to eat and they like, get me McDonald's, you're like, I got you covered. I can do it myself. This is the video for you. And sometimes you can make it look so fancy. You put it in like a restaurant park like McDonald's, and they don't even design something from outside, and you see that everybody in the family would like it, including your spouse. I mean, my husband loves it a lot. Not patronizing all those big restaurants that they don't have your health in mind. And this channel is called Healthy Parenting because we talk about ways to help our kids, ways to make healthy meals, making sure that the decisions that we make as adults is impacting our kids in a positive way. So here I'm going to share with you how to make this amazing, wonderful meal, and you make it in large quantity if you have large family. I'm a mama of 4 and they will love it. And the best part is you don't need oil to fry it, and they will like it. And please take time and give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know, are you going to make it? Because I believe that from today you're going to make it. Yes, I know that. So let's get into it.
First, you peel your potato. I like using the peeler, and also I keep knife by the side to remove any infected portion, making sure that I don't eat anything bad or feed my family something that has spoiled. So I keep peeling until I'm done. After that, I'll wash it and cut it in smaller slices. After you're done with slicing it, you put it in the refrigerator. That is what will help it to be crispy. And you take your chicken. Here I'm using chicken breast tenders. So if you're making it for a large number of people, you need like 2. So one was already open and I took the other one to show you how it is like. And chicken breast tender is the best part in chicken that is advisable to eat if you are trying to lose weight. So that's a good part in chicken that you might want to consider eating, and that's what I feed my family and my husband. That's what we use for our stew. So we don't really eat chicken drum like that. We eat a lot of chicken tenders. So after washing the chicken, you put a parchment paper on your cooking pan and spray olive oil on it, or any vegetable oil that you have available at home. And by the way, we are not going to use any oil in this recipe, and you know that chicken has oil in itself, so adding oil to it means increased cholesterol. So we are about to spice up the chicken. First, we have breadcrumbs, depending on the amount that you're using. Next, ground cumin. So the ingredients are going to be on the screen, and I hope you're liking this video so far. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and this method is very healthy because you're making it with spices and herbs, no seasoning, and also no frying. So after putting in all the spices and herbs, you put it aside, and then in a bowl put in flour, and also in another bowl crack in 2 eggs depending on the size of your chicken. If it is small, you can make it 1, and then whisk the egg, and we'll go from there. Let me tell you, my kids love this so much that they want to be eating it every week, and my family calls it KFC chicken. And every time we want to make chicken and fries, it has to be like this. So here I'm trying to arrange the kitchen table so that you guys can see the order. So first, you put the chicken in the flour and make sure it's covered in flour, and also you transfer it to the eggs and make sure it's covered as well, and also to the breadcrumbs mixture, and you now put it in the pan and you repeat the process till you're done. So here I was able to arrange it properly so that you guys can see. So first, flour, covered in flour. Second, eggs. And third, the breadcrumbs mixture. And that's how you do it till you're able to do everything. And let me tell you, the process is as fulfilling as the outcome itself, because your kids are gonna like it. So after you're done, you put it in the oven for like 35 to 40 minutes in 350 degrees. And here I went and took out my fries from the refrigerator and then soak out the water with paper towel, and then I'll turn it into a plate and fry it. So here I put my pan on the stove and put in olive oil, allow it to be hot, and then pour in the potato slices and allow it to fry. So if in any way you don't want to use oil to fry your potato, you can also put it in the oven and it will bake and it will still come out great. I've tried it before and it was still very delicious. If you're running away from cholesterol, frying is not advisable for you. You can use the oven to achieve something similar to this. And if you are wondering on how to get that done, here is a sample of how you can not fry anything. You don't fry your chicken, you don't fry your potato. You can bake it and it will turn out great. So put a parchment paper on the pan and sprinkle salt on your potato. I've already put salt on it, and then put it in that pan and put it in the oven and you're good to go. I hope that helps. So you keep on frying your potatoes, and as you're frying, remember that you had chicken in the oven, so you check and flip if you need to, and then put it back for you to cook the other side, and then you continue frying. That's how we roll. We are making fries, French fries with chicken, and like I said, my kids call it KFC chicken. If you don't know what that means Kentucky Fried Chicken. So after I was done with the fries, I had to check the oven for the KFC. Yes, it's ready. So this is how it turns out with the fries. Isn't that beautiful? KFC at home, and I added salt to it. You can add salt before frying it just like this. Some people like it after, but I do both. Let me know in the comments which one do you like best. And I shared it among my 4 kids, and dinner was served. Delicious, healthy, and homemade. So here is a single plate. Isn't that gorgeous? And also make it fancy sometimes. And let's see how crispy these chickens are. Amazing, right? Thanks for watching.
I hope you like it. I encourage parents to make food from scratch because that's the healthiest and the best way to enjoy your meal, because the ones that they sell at the restaurant, you don't know how many months those foods have been in the refrigerator, and it is preservative that is keeping those foods alive, and those chemicals that they put in the food is not helping us. And that's the more reason I like making food from scratch, because I know what goes into my body, and if I'm making it for my family, I do the same. So I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm planning to make a breakfast ideas for parents, especially this summer, and I know that this will be a great addition to your family. So when I'm done, I'm gonna post it right here. But for the meantime, I have video about pizza, and if you want to know how to make pizza from scratch, watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.